Hi there. We've got a fun division problem here. What if you did that one and that one? What would you get? Well, you have 8 divided by 4, that's 2, divided by 8 divided by 4, which is another 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Yeah, not right. Incorrect. I didn't follow the order of operations because I got to be honest with you. I probably don't want to. But here's the order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So parentheses, exponents multiply and divide in order from left to right. Add or subtract in order from left to right. This is all division. Let's just redo it the way it is supposed to be done. We will start with this first 8 divided by 4, and that is 2. But now we have 2 divided by 8 divided by 4. Now we have to do 2 divided by 8. Well, 2 divided by 8 can be rewritten as 2 over 8, and that is going to be divided by 4. This can be put into lowest terms now, so that is 1/4. And you are dividing by 4, which means you are multiplying by 1 over 4. When you are going to divide by something and you're working with fractions, you change the division to a multiplication, and then you flip your fraction over. It's called multiplying by the reciprocal. You may have learned it as skip, flip, multiply. Skip, flip, multiply. That's how I taught my students how to do it, but there's other ways to learn that. And then when we multiply that out, we're going to get 1 over 16. So when I said I didn't want to follow the order of operations, it's because I don't really particularly like fractions more than anybody else. So, yeah.